Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hungry Shark online. To begin, simply download the game from your device's app store, like Google Play or the Apple App Store. Alternatively, you can find browser-based versions on various gaming websites. Once installed, launch the game and select your first shark. The objective is straightforward: eat smaller fish and objects to grow larger, survive, and earn coins. Controlling your shark is intuitive. On mobile, simply drag your finger across the screen to guide your shark's movement through the ocean. To eat, swim into smaller fish, crabs, or even humans. Be mindful of larger, more powerful sharks and other hazards that can harm you. For a burst of speed, tap the screen with a second finger to activate your boost, which consumes a small amount of your health. As you play, you will earn two main currencies: coins and gems. Coins are acquired by eating, completing missions, and discovering sunken treasures. Use these coins to upgrade your current shark's bite power, swimming speed, and boost duration. Gems are rarer and can unlock special items or even new sharks. Progressing allows you to unlock a roster of over 20 different sharks, each with unique abilities. To maximize your progress and fun, focus on completing the various missions presented in the game. These often provide substantial coin and gem rewards. Don't be afraid to explore the vast ocean maps. There are many hidden areas, secret treasures, and unique creatures to discover. Finally, try out the different shark species available. Each of the many sharks offers distinct abilities and playstyles, adding depth to your underwater adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.